Welcome, dear friend. Are you feeling overwhelmed? Tired of fighting battles alone? Then pause for a moment and listen to this powerful promise from God. Exodus 14 verse 14 says, "The Lord will fight for you. You need only to be still." This verse is more than just words. It's a divine assurance. When the Israelites stood trapped between Pharaoh's army and the Red Sea, fear gripped their hearts. But God, He wasn't silent. Through Moses, He reminded them, and He reminds you today. You don't have to fight every battle by yourself. You don't have to figure it all out. You only need to be still, because God is already moving on your behalf. So take a deep breath. Let go of the stress. Give God the space to fight for you. And while He's working behind the scenes, trust that your victory is already in motion. Say this with me. Lord, I trust you. I will be still and know that you are God. If this message spoke to your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more faith-filled encouragement. Remember, God fights for you. You are never alone.